How to log into Peacock TV account. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'll show you how to log into Peacock TV. So let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and type in peacocktv.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. It will take you to the official website of Peacock, from where you need to first locate the Get Started button highlighted in yellow color in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. It will ask you to pick your plan according to your preference, either Premium or the Premium Plus. After you click on it, you will have to enter the correct form of your email address in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Also re-enter the password for the confirmation. Then enter your first name, your last name, your gender, and your birth year as well. Also enter the zip code of the city you're residing in, and then click on Create Account. Now you have to enter your payment details. Enter your first name, then your last name, followed by the email address that is associated with your account, then the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Then enter Subscribe. This way you will be easily signed up to your Peacock account. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.